Today, students, we are going to learn a topic on English grammar for grade 6 types of sentences. To speak, read, and write, we make use of sentences. So, let's learn what a sentence is. A collection of words that are arranged to put forward a sensible thought is called a sentence. Now, what this means is a sentence is a collection of words or it is a group of words that are arranged in such a way that they put forward a sensible thought. That is, they tell us something which makes sense. It is sensible to us. So, only when a group of words make sense, it is called a sentence. Now, let's understand this with the help of an example. A big house he lives in. Now, though these are a group of words, it is not making sense. So, we cannot call this a sentence. Now, let's rearrange these words. He lives in a big house. Now, these group of words make some sense. Also, remember this, students, that all sentences begin with a capital letter, but they end with a full stop, question mark, or an exclamation mark. Based on what a sentence is trying to convey, sentences can be of four different types. They are assertive, interrogative, exclamatory, and imperative. Now let's learn each of them. Assertive sentence. An assertive sentence is also called a declarative sentence. So, what is an assertive or declarative sentence? A simple sentence that asserts or declares a person's thought is called an assertive or declarative sentence. Now, what this means is that any sentence that states something or tells us something is called an assertive or declarative sentence. Now, we should remember that an assertive or declarative sentence always ends with a full stop. Let's understand what assertive or declarative sentence is with the help of some examples. Steve helped in cleaning the litter. Now, this sentence is telling us what Steve did. Let's look at the second example. The teacher was extremely strict with his students. This sentence is telling us how the teacher was with his students. The third example is Mother Teresa was born in 1910. This sentence is giving us some information about Mother Teresa. So, if we notice, all these sentences are stating something or telling us something or informing us about something. So, all these sentences are assertive or declarative sentences and they all end with a full stop. The next type of sentence is an interrogative sentence. A sentence that asks a question is called an interrogative sentence. What this means is that any sentence that wants to know something is called an interrogative sentence. An interrogative sentence always ends with a question mark. Let's understand interrogative sentence with some examples. How did you prepare for the competition? Did someone help you? What are your future plans? All these sentences are asking questions and they all end with a question mark. So they are interrogative sentences. The third type of sentence is an exclamatory sentence. A sentence that conveys the exact feeling that the speaker wants to express is called an exclamatory sentence. Now, what this means is any sentence that shows what the speaker is feeling, whether he's feeling happy, sad, angry. Such sentences are called exclamatory sentences. An exclamatory sentence always ends with an exclamation mark. Let's look at some examples about exclamatory sentences. Oh no, I failed the test. How lucky you are. What an easy paper it was. All these sentences are expressing the feeling of the speaker. They all have an exclamation mark. So they are exclamatory sentences. The fourth type of sentence is an imperative sentence, a sentence that indicates a request, advice, suggestion, instruction, command, or order is called an imperative sentence. This means that any sentence that tell us about an order or a request or a suggestion or an instruction or maybe advising somebody. Such sentences are imperative sentences, and imperative sentences end with a full stop. Let's see some examples about imperative sentences. The first example, please keep quiet. Here we find that the teacher is requesting his students to be quiet. Don't go too close to the fire. Here, a mother is advising or instructing her son not to go close to the fire. Third example, let's ask the teacher to help us. In this example, we find that the speaker is suggesting that they ask the teacher for help. All these examples indicate imperative sentences. Solve this exercise. Identify whether the following sentences are assertive, interrogative, exclamatory, or imperative. Write your answers in the comment section below. 1. Let's cook pasta tonight. 2. Where is my pen? 3. Today's class was very good. 4. Please sit down. 5. Keep up the good work. 6. Ron is ill with malaria. 7. The movie had already started when we reached there. 8. Are you joining us for dinner? 9. How wonderfully he plays. 10. Don't go too deep into the forest. Hey, this video was made just for you. If you've liked it, do give it a thumbs up. And if you're not a subscriber yet, please subscribe to my channel. If you have a question, I'll be happy to answer it. You can also leave a comment and question down below. Thank you. Bye-bye.